po mga kalingap, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So today po ay birthday ni Medit, ano? At syempre support tayong lahat kay boys Kalingap Angels. So ngayon ang nauna nandito si Rose Ann. Hey Rose Ann, isaba mo na Rose Ann ha. So, kumusta Rose Ann? Ano yung anong expectation mo ngayong birthday ni Medit? Anong gusto mo mangyari?
Maging ano lang, masaya lang.
Maging masaya lang.
Busog, charot.
Busog. At syempre andito rin si Carla. Ayan. Ikaw naman Carla, ano yung gusto mong, ano expectation mo today?
Mag-enjoy po.
Mag-enjoy? Yun. So dadaanan po namin sila Joy. Ayan, karaoke muna po tayo. Karaoke session dito sa van. Muna. Si Papa Joms. Bro, si Papa Joms. Nakawin si Papa Joms? Wala pa. Papa Joms, sasaan ka na? Papa Joms! Papa Joms! Every night I keep looking. Paras lang naman kayo ng boses. Paras lang sila ng boses. Nagpapalitan pa. Sid! Nakataan ka? Alright, next na po si Biancy. Ay, may napili na agad si Biancy. Ang bilis.
Nag-ready na si Cedric ko. Nag-ubo. Siya sa throwback na. Pinakanta sa suba.
Grabe, nakakilig yung kantang yan.
So easy, all the love that you give me, the feelings we share.
Okay, next na kayong dalawa. Galing sa vlog.
You touch me so tender, it's something you can. We are the ones in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see the little sky. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever
Pambato ng bagong silang. Pambato ng bagong silang.
Go Joy! Go Nels!
Si Joy at si Melka. Ayun na po, ayun na po. Ay,
Ako tagahabang para sa'yo.
makakalungkot naman yan. Ay, para kay Joy ba yan?
Naiyak.
Somebody told me you were leaving. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you want them. No. So you're walking at the door. Nobody told me you were crying.
Ised na game mo sa likod. Ised, ikaw yung nasa music video. Ised yung nasa music video.
Nobody told me that this love from me. So I'm setting you free. And be the ones to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just had to say our love was true, but it's not because we're telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Galing man.
Oh, Joy, Joy, ikaw.
Somebody told me you still love me.
Bakit na si Joy naiyak na? Ibig sabihin na Joy.
Nobody told me that you wanted me to come to. Somebody told me that you wanted to come back home. Our love is drifting. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, and it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time. For the final kiss, we could work together through this desert. We could work through it apart. I just need you to get off my chest that you were always on my heart. That hasn't been a while.
Galing ah.
Be the one to break it, so you won't have to make excuses. But I need to find the setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie.
Walang signal? Ayun na si Sed na. Ano masabi mo at si Sed ng kakanta?
Mukhang uulan ulit. Go Sed!
Awa lang pa sa pasensya. Galing niya.
Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin. At sinabi mo
Parang pa na si Sed ngayon ah.
di magbabago. Ngunit ba
Ayun lang.
ako kaya kayo malayo?
Manis.
Puso'y naging
Dapat sabay sila
alam.
Pag-ibig ko'y
Uy.
sa'yo.
Ay!
At kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghihintay ako kahit kailan.
Galing ah!
Kahit na umabot pa ako'y nasa gitna.
At kung di ka makita,
Iusap kay Bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpah na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking.